How to reset a chat in Poly AI. So one way you can do this is go ahead to whichever conversation you want to reset. Go ahead to the bottom right corner. There's going to be a weird looking icon. You press on that, and as you can see, there's going to be a restart option right beside history. You have the option to restart a new chat or restart from a specific message, like trying to redo or something. Depends on you. So choose whichever you'd like. In our case, we're gonna go restart a new chat. Careful once you're doing this, since you might accidentally press that, but that's pretty much it. You can restart the conversation to the very starting point of the chat. If you'd like, you could try deleting the entire conversation, like so. You hold on the conversation, press and delete, you find the specific conversation again, and just start a new chat from there. That's technically one way you could restart as well. But that's pretty much how you can reset a chat in Poly AI. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.